Today I am going to show you how to make sauerkraut. These are the ingredients and tools you will need. First, start by cutting the cabbage in half. This will make it easier to handle when using the mandoline. After you've cut them in half, you will want to use the mandoline to make small pieces that will fit into a jar. Watch out for your fingers. After all the cabbage is shredded, you will want to cut and smash some garlic cloves. You do not need to mince them though, just keep them whole, but make sure they are smashed so the flavors will develop with the cabbage. Now we have our salt, garlic, and shredded cabbage all ready to go. Next, you'll want to start by sprinkling the salt over the cabbage. Then, using your hands, mix it in and keep adding salt as needed. The salt pulls water out of the cabbage to create an environment where the good bacteria can grow and the bad bacteria will die off. Add the rest of the salt to the cabbage and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 to 20 minutes, you will notice how much liquid has been produced by the salt. Massage the cabbage and give it a few more pats. After you've added the garlic to the cabbage, pack with your hands. You might need a spoon or a different utensil to make sure the cabbage is really packed in. The last step is to take a paper towel and a rubber band to cover the jar. Let it sit somewhere away from light for 1 to 4 weeks. Enjoy!